Next step, GRASS GIS and config path. I hope that you have installed GRASS GIS in your computer. If you don't have, please install. Look in the GRASS GIS page how to install. In my case, I have GRASS GIS installed, so we need to find the path to configure our script. Okay, so to find the path, we will type GRASS. You can press tab key twice to autocomplete. It's a good hint. In my case, I have GRASS and GRASS 7.8. So I will type 7.8 and we'll type now -- config space path. Okay, press enter and the return is something like that. Copy and paste this path in a notepad. We will use in next step. Okay, what it means? It means it's like where is GRASS in our system, how to call GRASS in our system. Okay, next step, we have to prepare GRASS to processing our file. Okay, so now we open GRASS and you see a window like this. What it means? Here we have this GRASS GIS database. What it means? It means that all the files will be inside of this folder here. The database of GRASS is inside of this folder. If you don't have this folder, please, you may create this folder. So you can go to your file manager. I will show for you now here. It's my folder, home folder, and here you can see GRASS data. If you don't have GRASS data, you can create one. So back to GRASS, click and browse. Here home, my name, here is GRASS data. You can click on open button. Okay, it's done. Step 2 here, select the GRASS location. What it means? The GRASS GIS work for a specific CRS. It means Coordinate Reference System. It means, in other words, for each location has only one CRS. We have created how many we want here, but you must know what CRS we need to work. Okay. In my case, I show for you, I reproject all my files. Where is my file? It's here. I've closed it, this one. If you don't know which is your CRS, I show you how to find easily it. I open QGIS again. I'll put this one here. We can go here in properties. You can find here information CRS. In my case, the CRS is EPSG 31981. So our MDT model and Landsat 8 images must be in the same CRS. Okay, in my case is this one here. Find a better CRS for you, but remember to reproject all of the files. So now I can close it. Don't hit save. maximize, and let's go to grass. I have one location here, but we will create another one to our video. So I click here in new. I will call the location like SEBAL. I will put the code of EPSG. I like to know how I'm working. So here is not necessary for now. Just click next. Select EPSG from a special reference system. Click on next. So here you have a list of EPSG code. We can type the code here, press enter. It's filtered here, click on next, OK, and finish. Now we have our SEBAL 3180_31981 grass location. And here on the right side we have our map set. What it means? It's like a way to organize your projects. You have, so right here, project 1, project 2, field 1, field 3. Just click here and new and create new map set. Permanent is standard for GRASS GIS. So we work on the standard map set to make it simple. Okay? It's done. Clicking on start GRASS session. GRASS is starting. Okay, so here we have our canvas, and here we have our layout manager and functions, etc. The first we have to do it's load our MDT file. Okay, so again, how to import? We can here file, import raster data, r.import, browse, go to your folder where is all your files, SEBAL tutorial, mdt sebal.div. Okay, click open, import, and click on close. So here our MDT file. Oh, okay, it's okay. And just to remember, the script will make all the processing only for the area covered by MDT image. The GRASS GIS call it as computational region. It means that although we will import the full Landsat images, the calculations will be just over the MDT area. Thus, before we import the MDT file, make sure if your field is covered by the MDT file. So it's okay. The GRASS is ready to run the script. We can close now GRASS. Okay. Can close here or file, GRASS and GRASS. Okay. Go to our file manager now. It's here. Look. Now you have to edit the script to assign the path and variables. So look at the script. Okay. Open open it with your notepad. Usually I use Emacs to edit my scripts. You can use anyone if you want. And here you have our script. You just have to edit these lines here. It's okay, just this line. If you need a specific configuration, feel free to understand what's happening and change the script. Okay, So let's go here. GIS base is that path we find before. Remember, we type in GRASS 78 config path. We have a return. We need to put this path here. GISDB is the path for database GRASS GIS. This one is the location. Okay, the location for GRASS. If you don't remember the name, so in my case now, you can open again GRASS and check the name. Okay, in this case it's SEBAL_31981. And please, very important, don't type spaces here or special characters. Just use simple letters or numbers. Please do not use spaces, please. Okay, 31981 SEBAL_. The map sets permanent, it's okay. And here we have to put the path for our files. So if you don't know, just go to your file manager, click in your folder, properties, look here, the path and the name of the folder, okay? And type here, don't forget the slash in the end. It's okay, save the file. It's saved. Now you can close the script. Let's go to the terminal, and here we can see. And now we can run our model finally. Okay, to run the model, just type Python 3 and the name of the script. In this case, SEBAL_v10.py. Press enter. Okay, here we have there's a warning. We found one MTL file, 12 TIFF files. It said from and set 8, one MDT file. The first question, I just type here. You can type as you wish or as you need. Okay, I will type here 2, and the evapotranspiration, in my case, I will type this one, and for the daily value I will put say 6.2. Enter. Okay, it's running. Now the script, the GRASS GIS is importing the Landsat image. It will take some time, but I hope it will work. Okay. Okay, after several calculations, we have to choose now the code pixel coordinates. For a better choice of these coordinates, I mean the cold pixel and hot pixel, I recommend to read the reference. Okay, but to complete the running, I will aid you how to choose the pixel. Okay, the cold pixel, it's a pixel with a relative lower temperature, and hot pixel, it's a pixel with high relatively temperature. But there are some conditions to choose this pixel. So how to choose? Let's go to GRASS GIS. Okay, let's open. So you have something like that. You need to choose our location. This one is map set and start GRASS session. Now I will load some layers here. What layers we need now to choose our code pixel? Please click on this button. You can do and just mark. You can unmark. Don't need this one or K. It's okay. We need AS, it's RGB composition, code pix of course, and LAI. Click on OK button and click here and on code pix. Okay. And you can click here as well, so we can see. Just drag up. I will unmark here. Here is our RGB composition. Okay, we can zoom. So first of all, find a place with agricultural region. Okay, click on zoom and find something. Here we can find some local. Here probably it's a rebate area. Yes, this one. Now you need to find a code pixel. What is the values? What is this range? We can find here. Okay, click on code pix here. Keep it with the director here selected. Click on this button, analyze map, and create histogram of raster map. If it does not appear here, you can do it. Click here, select the raster, we need code, click on OK. The histogram, the temperature values are here, and here we have the frequency. So our temperature values is from 302 up to 309. We need a lower temperature, but not so cold. So we need a value around this one is around 301, something like that. Okay, we can zoom here. We can drag if necessary. So the values come here and just grow here. Okay, so we need something like that. Maybe 302 is better. 302.5. We try to find a pixel with this value. Okay, so close it. To find the code pix now, we need to do this. We can drag under here because I want to see the composite. If you don't want, just click over here and disappear. Okay, so I can keep this one selected to choose the coordinate from this layer. Click in this icon, select a query, and I will click on this area. Okay, let's see. So the value is 302.7. It's almost there. Like, it's a tutorial, so I understand that's okay for us. Okay, you can look at better and understand better. You must understand the model, just not run the model. Okay, so we have some condition. We find this value here. Okay, and the value is from, for this pixel here, I will zoom. Okay, I will zoom to, oh, it's So I will keep here. Okay, I will try again. So click here, this pixel here. Maybe I will keep the corner of this window in the pixel to do not lose it. Okay, so for this pixel here, okay, now here and here is one. Yes, I hope it's the one, but anyway, let's go. Moving on. The value of the LAI value is between 4 and 6. Not good enough for us. But these values can change. Each case it's a case. So this is the idea, okay? You must to looking for a good code pixel. And the value for AS, in this case this one, must be between 0.22 and 0.24. So just to check this, I will click here and choose this one. It's almost good. Okay, maybe here is better. No, it's okay. We need to find some good pixel here. Maybe here. Probably we have a good pixel around here. Let's see the corner. How you don't have my image, you need to find your code pixel. So I have my code pixel and hot pixel in a notepad. So to make it faster, I will just copy and paste. Okay, so I need to go in my file manager here, and I will copy here. I did it before. Okay, code pixel and hot pixel. Well, let's go for pixel coordinate. Down to copy, select Ctrl C, code pixel, go to terminal, and to paste you can click Ctrl Shift V. Note coordinate east, north. Okay. Decimal is point, and comma is to separate values. Don't for no spaces, please. Click enter. And now the script is asking for hot pixel. Go to GRASS again. And now we need to insert the hot pixel layer. Let's go in this icon, add map raster. Looking for two hot pixels. Click on OK. Hot pixels is the same idea of the code pixel. Okay, looking for area, irrigated area. This one, so we can see something like this. Look for the hot pixels, and we can find something like here. Look at the value, look at the coordinates, and find some point that's good for you. So I already have the coordinates, so I will copy this one, paste here, enter. Now more calculations. We can read all the SEBAL manual, reference papers to understand how it works. It's a great work from the researchers. Okay, more some seconds or minutes. Okay, it's finished. When my name is appear here. It's done working on daily evaporation. Okay, it's done. Finish. To see the result, the final result, go here to GRASS GIS. I will unmark this one. We can see our composite for full size, and here we must select this on this icon, click on OK, and OK, it's done. Our evapotranspiration. Let's see how it looks like. Zoom. We were around here. So here we have some areas. Okay, ET day. Let's check the values from this layer. Click here, histogram. So values from, okay, most is 0, but we can zoom here. Okay, let's drag now. Okay, the values is from 0, of course, up to 9. Okay, it looks good. So if you have a specific field, we can look here if it's how your crop is going. And if you need to export this layer, just go in File, Export Raster Map, so r.out.gdal. There's a lot of options, but here is good enough. You can choose here the layer, the output raster file. Here is a better option, click on Browse. I will just put in downloads, okay? The name is over here, HAD tutorial, save and run. It's okay. Now we can see our file in File Manager. Here our each day, you can check in other software if you wish. So drag and drop. Okay, our map value is 0.299.3, something like that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for my English. I'm trying to improve. I am quite rusty to speak English, but thank you very much for your attention. I see you. Have a nice day. Follow us please and click on like button.